Now we have practical problems on combinations. That is, let us say we have a problem that we have 16 total railway stations. One person is going to every station in how many ways or how many return tickets he can make. So it is like means, let us say A, B, C, D, E are the stations. So A to B is a ticket, A to C is a ticket, B to E is a ticket, D to E is a ticket, D to A is a ticket, right? But just see, if A to B is a ticket, he asked you for return ticket. B to A is A to B to A is same ticket. It is not different. So the very first thing is here is we need not to arrange them. We need to make a group. AB and BA is one and the same thing here, as we need the return ticket. So AB and BA is same thing. So we need to use combination here. The very first thing. Second thing is how many stations we are picking up at a particular time to form one ticket. To form one ticket, we are taking at a time two stations. AB or BD or CE or BC. At a time we are picking up two stations. So our total number of groups or total number of tickets, return tickets, first thing is we are using C, second is at a time we are taking two, and third is total number of stations are 16. So 16 C2 will be our answer. That is 16 into 15 divided by 2 factorial. Is your answer. One more question. He said 12 persons in a room, find the number of handshakes if every person is shaking hand with the other person. Now everyone is shaking hand with the other, that is A is shaking hand with B, and when B is shaking hand with A, isn't it the same shake hand? Yes, that is the same shake hand. So AB and BA is one and the same thing. BC and CB is one and the same thing. There is no difference. So this case also we need not to arrange anything. We need to use combination here. And now number of handshakes. One handshake, how we are getting? Between two persons at a time we are getting one handshake. So at a time we need to choose two persons out of total 12. So 12C2 are the number of handshakes. 12 into 11 divided by 2 factorial. So 66 handshakes will be there if we have 12 persons in a room and each is shaking hand with the other one. Next example is, he said 4 persons you have to select out of a group of 9. Suppose anyone is throwing a party, then 4 out of 9 he has to select. Then that means 4C, 9C4 will be the result. 9C4 will be the result. Very simple. Because we need not to arrange. If we are calling ABCD and we are calling BCDA, one and the same thing. So we need to use combination here. 9C4 is 4 out of 9. But now he has given one condition here, that one person is always included. Out of 4 selections, let us say A is the person, he is a special person and we need to select him compulsively. So A is fixed. Now rest 3 must be called. 3 must be called out of the rest 8. These can be changed. This is fixed. This person is always included. So 8C3, when one person is always to be included. 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 factorial. That is 56 will be a result. One person is always to be excluded. One person is like that one person is nobody is liking. So one person is always to be excluded. Out of total 9, one is to be excluded. So to call, we have now 8 persons to call for party, and party is for 4 persons. So 8C4. 8C4 are the number of groups. So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 4 factorial. So in 70 ways we can do this. Just note it down.